Good morning and good afternoon to all of you. Thanks for joining us on our first quarterly Friday Friday. We are coming to you from Brakpan, from our home office, with a workshop downstairs, cutting real metal, using real solutions to provide real value to our customers. Today we're going to run through a demo regarding SOLIDWORKS 2024. We're going to do some sheet metal and then we're going to do some frameworks and structures. And I'm going to kick it off actually with cloud services, so you can see how the collaboration tools allow you to give tasks and actually match up and follow the work as it runs through its process. So as of 1st of July 2023, every new license comes with cloud services. Cloud services is really the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, and that gives you cloud storage, it gives you collaboration tools, it gives you task management, and it gives you some fundamental PLM functionality. So our scenario today is agricultural customer, let's say. They have a bush cutter and there's some things that they need to do regarding this bush cutter because there's been a change in their environment. So they have a number of tractors. The one tractor's maybe down, maybe somebody hasn't managed to come to work today, something's happened, he's got COVID, there's a taxi strike, whatever the case may be, but the land needs to be prepared. So the farmer has got 3 bush cutters, but he only has one person to actually do it. So what we're going to do is we're going to propose a scenario where we combine the 3 brush cutters or bush cutters so that one tractor can pull it. Okay, so we have in our system, we've got the model for the brush cutter or bush cutter. And my role here is really as a supervisory role. I'm not the one doing the actual work, but I'm advising. I'm maybe the engineer on the project. All right, so we've had a look. This is the brush cutter. This is the model. This is exactly what we have on the farm. We have 3 of them. So what I need my team to do, and I'm just going to do this so we can see this a bit better. Don't like perspective. Cool. I'm going to go and add some annotations. So maybe the first thing is, let's just make it a little bit smaller, right? And I'm going to go add in some information here. So what I want is, I want my team to put all 3 brush cutters next to each other. They will then need to create a frame which adds or connects all of the brush cutters together. And then what we'll need is, because each one has a gearbox or transmission on here, we need to do some kind of sheet metal housing here just to protect the gearboxes from flying debris or something like that. Because also what has to happen in between here is we need to put in some transmission shafts and then connect this out to the tractor, all right? So I can even go and add some text in here. So say we need a frame to connect the 3, and I'm going to add in another text over here, and I'm going to just put it over there. Let's make it red. We need some sheet metal housings. Okay. Oops. Cool. Okay, so now to get this out to the team, I'm going to just save a screenshot. All right, and I'm going to go and create some tasks for my team. So my team at this moment has got 2 people in it, Ulrika and Danelle, and I'm going to go and create a task. Create framework for 3 brush cutters. Oops. Cool. And inside this task, we can go and put all the information that's required. So we can put a description. I can even go and upload the screenshots into the task description. Okay, and say, please create a framework. Was this a framework? Yes, framework from standard profiles. And why? Because in my workshop, I should have some material lying around. This is pretty urgent. Okay, it is currently in the to-do state, so which means it's 0% complete. I'm going to make it for end date today. And what I can do is I can also go and upload the actual screenshots here, which makes it available for my team to look at it in a bigger size. And I'm going to go and assign this to Ulrika. Okay, here you go. Yes, just need to tell it where to put it. There it is. That one. Okay, what will happen now is you can see it's busy uploading to the repository. And on Ulrika's side, she'll get a notification to tell her that she's been given a task. Okay, she's been assigned a task. All she needs to do is, and you'll see this just now, is just click on the notification and it'll take her straight to the task. That will tell her what exactly needs to happen. She can go and look at the attachments and then do what she needs to do. And I'm going to create just one more task quickly for the now. Create sheet metal transmission housings. Okay. Create. Okay. We can again go and add the file to the description. And we can add it in here so that it's available for her to interrogate in a bigger size. Okay, so it also needs to be done by tomorrow. That's urgent, and let's just assign it to Danelle. What you can do inside the task is you can go and add things like the actual duration that you're expected to take. When the task is completed, the people doing the tasks can actually connect or insert the deliverables on here so that me as the task owner or creator can just click on the task, click on the deliverable, and it'll take me straight there. I don't have to go and hunt for it. You can also add in comments on the task. So for example, if they get the task, they could just go say, thumbs up, I'm on it, thanks for this, whatever the case may be. You can also subscribe to this task so that as the owner or as the assignee, if anything happens to this task, the system will tell you immediately what's going on. Okay. All right, so that's just popping up into the task. I'm going to close this down once it's finished. So I can see immediately this is assigned to Danelle, that's assigned to Ulrika. Right, so at this stage, both of them will get a notification to say that they have a task, and then it's over to them to actually do the work. So we're going to start with Danelle, who's going to do the sheet metal part.